Hi, this is Sue with Explore More with Sue. I'm going to put my glasses on. And I am standing on the beach in beautiful Costa Maya, Mexico. This place is something else. It's not populated. I was here in 2005, and there was a pier, and there were like 5 shacks and a dirt road. Now there's a giant pier with we're here on Virgin Voyage's Scarlet Lady, but Royal Caribbean just pulled up. There's a pool, there are a whole bunch of shops, there's a main road with more pools and shops, and the beaches are beautiful. When we were here in '05, we thought it was like Gilligan's Island. I mean, there was no one here. There were no houses. There were definitely no hotels. Now there are a few hotels, but here's the thing. Costa Maya, way back when, had some indigenous people, and then the Mayans were here. So there are some local Mayan ruins, but they are not anywhere near as excavated or as well known as Tulum or Chichen Itza. But they are here, and you can actually go see them. After the Mayans were, left, this was populated. I guess it was populated by a lot of pirates. And after that, this place gets whacked with a hurricane. It seems like every 10 to 30 years. We were here in '05. A hurricane came in '07 and just wiped the whole place out. So a lot of people died. And a lot of the people who stayed left. Who lived, they left and went inland. There was another one in 2012 that wiped out most of the buildings that were here. It's beautiful though. It is not touristy. There's nothing touristy about this except right over at the pier. And if you are looking for some place that is peaceful and quiet, and you don't want a bunch of tourists, except if the tourists that show up on a cruise ship, but then they leave. So if you want to get away from it all, Costa Maya is the place to be. It's beautiful, and it's right by. It's on the Caribbean side, and it is right next to Belize. So on the southern edge of this area is the border for Belize. And then Cozumel is a little ways north from here. So come here. It's great. It's difficult to get here. I don't think there's an airport. In fact, I didn't even research that, but I don't think there's an airport. I think the only way that you can get here is on a ship. But look for a cruise that has a stop in Costa Maya. You will not be disappointed. It's not the kind of place you need to come and spend days unless you are truly looking to get away from it all. But it's an awesome spot. Not many people have been here, and the next adventure awaits.